Module 7, video 3 of professionally selling personal training. So the first takeaway here is you need to really think about selling an outcome rather than selling an hour. So what I want to accomplish with this video is to give you a starting point of how much you should charge, which is often something that people struggle with. People say, charge what you're worth, and you're worth $155 an hour. And the truth is, if you're starting out, you're probably not. Right? I'm just going to be real with you, is you probably don't have the confidence or the ability to sell that at that level, and that's something that you can aspire to and work towards. The reason why I was able to get to $350 an hour for PT was because I'm damn good at what I do, and people wanted to pay it and were willing to pay it, and I could sell the package, and I have all the credentials behind me and the evidence and the results to get that, and that which merits it. And I hope that is something that you watching this aspire to. But in the beginning, let's be truthful, right? That's taken me many, many years, decades, longer than a decade to achieve, right? So, and just being focused at one thing. I started PT in 2006, and I'm still PT in 2020, making this video, right? So with that said, start at a price that you have some confidence in selling, and let's push it by 10%. Right? If you're watching this video, you can go 9%. So if you're selling it at $50 an hour, let's go to 55. It's only $5. So just increase it by $5. You always want to push it just a little bit, but not so much that it's inconceivable. I remember one of my mentors, Charles Poliquin, said every course, or he would increase his prices. He'd recommend students increase the price by every course they did by $5, and every medal or trophy that his clients won by $5. I took the same approach. That's how I got my rates, right? So with this said, build confidence, get the reps selling the program. You can't just be smoke and mirrors. You can trick someone into buying your program once, a couple of times, but ultimately it's when people re-sign. So you got to have a good sales process on the front end, but you got to be able to provide the service and value so that they want to hang around. It can't just be smoke and mirrors. So this is where you really need to be dedicated to your craft, understand the training, nutrition, and business elements, plus the soft skills, which isn't often talking about, which is your communication ability, your ability to motivate and get people and connect with people is very, very important. So all in all, start your pricing, push it by 5% or 10% rather. Have that as a starting point, continue to learn, do courses. With every course you do, after this course, increase your prices by that $5 to $10, that 10%, and continue on and get results for clients, build your confidence, do the reps. Don't just start at an arbitrary number, start at something that you feel confident you can sell, and continue to push it, Continue to push it. The better results you get for clients, that should be confidence. Go to courses. The more courses you go to, it gives you justification to push those prices. The more results your clients get, it gives you justification, and continue, right? This is your starting point. Continue your journey, and good luck.